Perhaps I got a bit carried away there. Well, a bit of a thinning in the snow's intensity for you. And, my beloved, I hope you enjoy the snow. Is it not beautiful? It actually took rather a bit of time for snow to come in any quantity beyond a wet flurry. I suspect, I believe that global warming, climate change is in fact real. For multiple times snow was predicted, but instead we received hail, even when I wanted the atmosphere to cool. As for walking in snow barefoot, that's a trick I used to do as a child, impressing my fellow Canadians. But regardless, whatever resistances I may or may not possess, it would probably be prudent to bundle up a bit. I hope you enjoy the snow over there in Africa, and I hope that you are soon able to join me here for it. Bye.